Welcome back. MNS Supremo Raj Thackeray has targeted BJP's Prime Ministerial candidate Narendra Modi. Raj says that if Modi has been declared the PM candidate for the BJP, then he should quit from his post as the Chief Minister of Gujarat. Thackeray also objected to Modi only talking about Gujarat during all his rallies and said that he should not focus on just one state, but at least now start thinking about the country as a whole. Mumbai Bureau Chief Sahil Joshi is now joining us with more details. Sahil, what possibly is Raj Thackeray's game plan?
See, it was pretty clear when 2 days back Swabhimani Shetkari Sangathan, the fourth partner of NDA, now we can call them fourth partner of NDA, but they joined NDA, three-party NDA in Maharashtra, Shiv Sena, BJP and Republican Party. After that, the chances of Raj Thackeray joining hands with NDA completely vanished. It had a completely full stop over the speculations that Raj Thackeray might be joining NDA because he had praised Narendra Modi last year when 2 years back he had visited Gujarat as a state guest. He started praising Modi suddenly in the BMC elections. Even while campaigning in Mumbai, he praised Narendra Modi. So the speculations were very high that Narendra Modi will work as a mediator between two brothers, but it looks like that now all the attempts are failed, and after Swabhimani Shetkari Sangathan became fourth partner of NDA in Maharashtra, the chances of Raj Thackeray joining with hands with NDA completely vanished. So now when Raj Thackeray has decided that he will go solo for elections, so he has no other option than to come forward and say that why he praised Modi earlier and now why he has to attack Modi, because if he has to go solo for Maharashtra elections, for Lok Sabha elections, for assembly elections, he has to come with an explanation to the people that just a year back when he was campaigning for BMC elections, he had full praise for Narendra Modi, and now why he is not helping him when Narendra Modi has been announced as a prime ministerial candidate for NDA. So that is the reason why it was pretty clear that Raj Thackeray has to attack Narendra Modi in some or the other way. But there is one more thing I have to bring your attention. Yeah.
Sahil, does it come as a dampener to the BJP that Raj Thackeray perhaps not be part of the NDA?
Absolutely, because we have seen in last 6 months that it was actually BJP leaders from Maharashtra, be it Gopinath Munde, be it Nitin Gadkari, be it Vinod Tawde, who is a leader of opposition. They tried best to bring in Raj Thackeray in NDA fold, but it looks like that the seat adjustment could not happen because finally the two brothers had to sit across the table and solve their differences if they have to work together as a team, which was not happening. So whatever the efforts made by BJP leaders failed, and they had reason to make those efforts because in 2009 elections we have seen that MNS had fought around 11 seats in Maharashtra, but especially in Mumbai, Thane and Nasik belt, NDA had to lose because MNS candidates took away around 1 lakh votes each in every constituency. So they had a reason to bring in Raj Thackeray, but now it looks like that they will have to contest even MNS candidates if at all MNS decides to put in candidates in all the constituencies in Maharashtra, or they will have to decide that how many constituencies they are going to put in candidates for Lok Sabha. So that is the reason why in Nasik he is meeting his state executive, he is meeting the district level leaders one-to-one to understand how they are going to go forward with the elections.
Sahil Joshi, many thanks for joining us with those details.